Here's a 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe at Unique Specialty and Classics. Has a 302 V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, so nicely equipped. Take a look at the front grille, bumpers. This is an original number 8 paint coat, so springtime yellow. And also original California car, built and sold in California when new. We're going to start it up at the end of the video, take a look underneath the hood. There's some things I want to point out. But first, I want to let you know where to check out all the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. That is a wheel, not a wheel cover, just so you know. BF Goodrich radials. Take a look down the passenger side. So some of the things that have been done to this car recently as far as service, maintenance work, new master cylinder and proportioning valve. It does have new valve cover gaskets, new mufflers. Also a new Patriot ceramic coated long tube headers were installed. As you can see up and down the passenger side there, it's not full of nicks, dings, chips, scratches. Interior black vinyl bucket seats on our console. Of course, the automatic shifter in the console, and then the aftermarket Alpine stereo system that was installed, and that is working. Coming around to the rear here, it has had lighting that was done to it, LED taillights, plate lights, also headlights, LED with the turn signal rings, and the original lights and a lot of the original equipment that was replaced on this will be included in the boxes and go right along with it. So you can see the dual exhaust. It does have a Sniper EFI system on it too, and we'll get into that in just a bit when we get it running and start up the car. Let you take a peek underneath the hood. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few little imperfections on this one, but overall, paint shows well on it. I know there's a few touch-ups back here. And again, take your time looking through all the still pictures. You'll be able to see this car from every angle, inside and out, underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Interior does have new upholstery on the seats. You'll see those are like new, same as the carpet. Very nice shape also. Headliner, a few wrinkles in it, but intact and looks decent. 6x9s in the rear deck. And before I start this up, let me look at my notes here, just make sure I'm not missing anything with some of the service and some of the stuff that was done to it. It does have a new tranny gasket that was installed and seals, as well as the valve cover gaskets. I believe I mentioned those earlier. New rear bumper, so the chrome looks so good on the back. And those are new BF Goodrich tires too. So a lot of service work recently done to this. All right, so EFI Sniper system, as you can see there. Take a look at all the gauges. Mentioned the Alpine aftermarket stereo, that is working. All right. I come back to idle here. All right. And you can see everything on that Sniper display. It is a self-learning system on those two, I believe, so there is a battery disconnect. Be careful with that, because I believe if we disconnect that battery, you may go through the self-learning and all that again. Let you listen to it. Good sounding car. Idles nicely and very good throttle response. A little bit I've driven this car with the EFI system to it. Good throttle response. And remember, at the end of this video, we're going to take this car for a ride so you can go out and kind of take a virtual ride in it, if you will. We'll put the camera in there, take it down the road, show you how it runs out, and that'll be at the very end of this video. But first, let's check out the engine bay. So let me get this hood open, let's check it out. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. previous owner of this vehicle stated 302, so just want to make you aware of that. See battery disconnect here I mentioned there earlier. I guess I'd keep it on a trickle charger personally. Probably not use that if you're going to have it in storage or in between drives. But good looking engine base, sounds good, looks good. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Original number 8 paint code, springtime yellow. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1967 Ford Mustang. This car has Sniper EFI, and you can tell there's a lot more throttle response and a lot more power than there usually is. We do have some whistling coming from this front window here. I think if I open it, it's just going to be better. We'll leave her open. This is an automatic on the center console. We have our screen here for Sniper EFI just below the dash, giving you lots of cool readouts. You got your air-fuel ratio. The battery volts are 14.5. And on the gauges on the dash, the oil pressure is about 2/3 of the way up. Alternator is charging over half. The factory clock, the second hand, is moving. Very cool, tiny little clock is working. Fuel gauge is working just under half. Temperature is just over half. We have an Alpine radio in the dash. That sounds good. This car looks nicely restored. We have factory looking bucket seats, but they're brand new. At least they look brand new. Carpet looks great. Score corners well. Doesn't lean hardly at all in the corner. Again, throttle response is very good. Letting go of the wheel, the car stays in the middle of the lane. Very nice. Very good looking, good handling Mustang. Turn signal indicators working well. Nice tight steering. Definitely want to check this Mustang out. Take a look at all the pictures, learn a little more about that engine and fuel injection setup at UniqueClassicCars.com.